Finding a comfortable posture, finding a comfortable way to be, and allowing the body to soften and relax, allowing the hands to fall wherever they're comfortable. If it feels safe, allowing the eyes to close gently. And calling back the attention from any places it may have gone, calling it back into this moment. Remembering that for right now, there's nowhere else to be. And I'll invite you for a moment to consider, how would life be if you were able to have compassion for yourself and all the other beings in the universe? Considering what it's like to approach life with a spirit of compassion and kindness. You might feel what it feels like in your body to hear those words. And there's nothing to do or change, simply noticing. You might notice if there's any resistance or urges. And again, there's nothing to fix. I'm simply noticing, noticing what it's like right now. It'll take a minute or so to just sit in the anchor of the breath without thinking about it or trying to control it, simply noticing the breath in the body wherever it's most obvious right now. As you breathe in, simply feeling the breath in the body, feeling the way the breath affects the body without a need to change it or control it. Now, calling to mind a benefactor, someone who's been good to you, someone who has your back. And you might see their face in your mind's eye. You might even say their name to yourself. Remembering that all beings wish for and deserve compassion. We'll offer these sentiments to the benefactor. May you be held in compassion. May your pain and sorrow be eased. May your heart be at peace. I care deeply about your suffering. You might notice whatever felt sensations are present, noticing any stories that arise, remembering there's nothing to change, or simply noticing. You might imagine the benefactor turning to you and offering these sentiments to you. May you be held in compassion. May your pain and sorrow be eased. May your heart be at peace. I care deeply about your suffering. And feeling any felt senses that arise, the stories, allowing them to be without a need to push them away. Now calling yourself to your mind's eye. This might be a present form of yourself or a future form of yourself, or maybe even some previous version of yourself. And as you see your own face in your mind's eye, recognize that you too deserve compassion as much as anyone else. May I be held in compassion. May my pain and sorrow be eased. May my heart be at peace. I care deeply about my own suffering. And once again, noticing whatever felt senses are present. You might notice if there's any numbness or lack of emotion. Whatever comes up is okay. All is welcome. Now, returning back to the breath. As you breathe in, simply notice that you're breathing in. As you breathe out, notice that you're breathing out. When you're ready, returning to your surroundings.